Hi, you are already issuing your invoices through HighLevel? Then you're doing really well. But what about partial payments? If someone only pays part of the invoice and portion remains outstanding, I will show you exactly what you need to know and how to implement it. For this, we are back in our sub-accounts and go to Payments. We are automatically on Invoices. Here, I've created a simple invoice for this sub-account. Invoice for HighLevel stuff, amounting to €35.90, because I'm in Europe. It states right here, due in 15 days. Now, if the customer says they will pay a part in advance, no matter how, we can choose under the three dots next to record payment whether it should be drawn via a card or if we should enter it manually. In this case, we will enter it manually. I know you can't see this, but we have the option to select cash, card, check, bank transfer or others. Let's say they gave us cash, a total of €20. We can insert notes here, cash in biro for example, submit, payment complete. Then you'll see that this status has changed to partially paid. The customer automatically receives an email that it has been partially paid, and you also get a notification. If we go back in and say record payment, manually again and in cash, then they've paid the remaining €15.90. Full submit. Then you automatically see that it's been marked as paid in the status. Quick jump over to the email builder. I want to show you that it can be very interesting, especially if you want to automate everything. You have appropriate custom values for this. Simply go to the custom values under invoice. Down here, you'll see amount due and amount paid. If you now automatically send this mail, for example, through a workflow to your customer, they can see exactly how long they have until the payment deadline and how much is still to be paid. That's all for this information. We see us in the next video.